I was inspired by this Thanos scene, so I decided to make my own. I could use some Infinity Gauntlet now. Thanos model from Sketchfab, link in description. Sword as well. I needed scene like this. Animated Mad Titan with Mixamo. Found some idle animation, where he is like holding the sword. Sprinkled 100,000 particles here. Round is from textures.com. Here added some rocks, link is in the description by the way. Heavenly Sky from Polyheaven. Animated some ships flying. Also added volumetrics. And this things as well. When you add it all, it looks something like this. Looking at the sunrise on a grateful universe, as he was saying. Rendered in Eevee. Enjoy the final animation, guys.